Sri Meenakshi Sameta Sundareshwara temple is an ancient temple dedicated to Lord Shiva in Ayyampettai, Thiruvarur, Tamil Nadu. An interesting aspect of this temple is that Lord Shiva is seen with a balance in his hand and the goddess Parvati is seen with a measuring cup. Ayyan in Tamil means Lord. Since the Lord himself performed business here, this place is known as Ayyampettai. People who are about to start a new business and people who are facing trouble or loss in their business visit this temple to get the blessings of the Lord and the goddess. There was once a severe drought and people were starving due to lack of food. That time, the two Nayanas, namely Tirunavukarsar and Thirugyana Sabandar, prayed to Lord Shiva in a place called Tiruvillimiralai. Lord Shiva blessed them and gave 2 gold coins every day. But they did not know where to go and buy food materials with those gold coins. That time, Lord Shiva appeared before them and instructed them to buy the food materials from a place called Ayyampettai. Nayanas really surprised when they reached Ayyampettai to see Lord Shiva and the goddess Parvati doing business by selling the groceries. Lord Shiva was seen with a balance and the goddess is seen with a measuring vessel. Hence, the lord of this temple is also known as Chettiyapar and the goddess Meenakshi is known by the name Padiyalanda Nayaki. It is strongly believed that by doing so, their business will prosper and they would get good profits. Every year, business festival is celebrated in this temple during the month of Chitrai. Since the Lord himself graces his devotees in the form of businessman, and this temple considered very auspicious and a must visit for the people who are seeking good profitable business in their life.